Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to customize your phone from home screen settings using HomeUp module. So with the HomeUp, you can now customize your phone's look and feel directly from the home screen settings. Like you can set the layout, icon styles, folder grid, blur effects, and many more. So here is an example. If I go ahead and customize the home screen, you'll see this HomeUp icon. Now for some of you, you might not see this HomeUp icon on your home screen customization settings. So to enable this, you want to first go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. In the Good Lock app, go ahead and scroll down, find the HomeUp module. Next, tap on home screen, and here you want to go ahead and find this setting called Use Setting Dialog on home screen. Make sure this is turned on. So as you can see, when you go ahead and customize the home screen, you'll see that HomeUp setting just here at the bottom right. So now if you go ahead and turn the feature on, customize your home screen, tap on HomeUp, and here you can go ahead and customize all of these settings like loop pages, finder access, hide page indicator, home screen grid, the hot seat, and the app icons. So you have total personalization, so you can make your phone's interface truly yours, more stylish, minimal, or colorful depending on your vibe. So there you go guys, that is how to customize your phone from the home screen settings using the HomeUp module.